Provide an employee work table and Energy Star rated refrigeration in the same footprint with this Coolscapes Worktop refrigerator from Delfield. The unit's equipped with a 4-inch backsplash to contain messes, and the stainless steel top can hold up to the rigor of busy operations. Its Green Genius refrigeration system with electronic temperature controls quickly chills 24/6 size pans of freshly added products, stored on 4 drawers, at a food-safe temperature between 33 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Call or visit KaTom.com to add a Delfield Worktop refrigerator to your kitchen lineup today.